Hey guys, DadTFP here, and I'm with my best bud number 2.
DadTFP fan.
And we got a very exciting video for you today. We're going to show you how to make a
pound cake.
Yep, and here's all the ingredients. So let's go from the most to the least. So let's talk about that sugar there. How many cups of sugar is that?
3.5 cups.
How many sticks of butter?
4.
How many eggs?
12.
All right, and how are those 12 eggs distributed?
6 are the whole egg, and then 6 are just the yolk.
All right, and then we got a little, for some of that awesome flavor, we have a...
vanilla.
1 tablespoon of vanilla. You gotta always make sure you add a little salt, so we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. And then if you're making a cake, what's important?
Flour.
And how much we doing for that?
3.5 cups.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get it all mixed, get it in the pound cake pan, and get right back. Oven's preheating at 350. And once it's in the oven, how long does it take to cook?
An hour and 15 minutes.
Cool. All right, well, stay tuned. All right, so all the ingredients are mixed in our cool KitchenAid mixer, and we're putting it in our pretty big pound cake pan. It's looking pretty amazing, huh?
Oh yeah.
And then, so I guess we don't have to, we're going to fill this thing pretty much to the top, and we don't have to worry too much because, as we know with pound cakes, it doesn't really rise that much in the oven. Is that right?
Oh, I did not know that.
Wait a minute. Is that DadTFP fan's voice reveal?
Yeah.
Whoa!
I'm actually not a robot voice.
Yeah, you're not Google Translate voice.
And
that's where the voice was from.
You guys probably know who that is. That's my best bud, DadTFP.
I'm the biggest fan, though.
Awesome. And then, yeah, we'll get that in there. We got our oven set at 350. We're going to put it in there for an hour and 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and show you how awesome it looks. Thank you. Hey guys, guess what? Pound cake's all done. And I'm taking a little longer in the oven because it's kind of a thick pound cake, probably an hour and 20 minutes rather than an hour and 15 that we planned. What do you think, DadTFP fan?
It turned out amazing.
Oh, can't wait to bite into it. So there you have it, folks. Subscribe, comment down below. Try to make it yourself. Bye-bye.